Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. So, to take a screenshot on your laptop, you either have to press F10, the dedicated button for the screenshot, or you can also use the Windows shortcut, which is Windows, Shift, and S buttons pressed simultaneously. Both of them will open the capture menu and the capture toolbar at the top of your screen. Click Got It, make sure that Snip option is selected in here, and then select one of the four available screenshot modes. So the first one is rectangle, which will let you use this crosshair to make a selection of your screen that will be screenshotted. And if you click the notification, you'll be able to edit your screenshot using quick tools. And if you want to find your screenshot, you have to go to the File Explorer, Pictures, Screenshots, and here we have it. Now, the second way to take a screenshot is window. So in this case, we have to select a window. So just click on a window in order to take a screenshot of a window itself. The third one is the full screen screenshot, which lets us take a full screen screenshot, basically, yeah, as it says. And the fourth one is the freeform screenshot. And to take a freeform screenshot, just draw any shape on your screen, and you'll get a custom screenshot like this one. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.